What we've got here is a valve stem that has a really small leak around the perimeter. If it was a perfect world, you'd take the tire off the rim, sand the inside of the rim, if there was any corrosion there, and then install a new valve stem. These tires have been a bit difficult to seat against these rims to have them not leak, so I really don't want to disturb this. So I'm going to try to replace this valve stem without taking the tire off the rim. That is something I've never done before, but I was at a scratch and dent sale at a tool company, and this thing was marked down because it was broken. It's a hook, and this part right here had pulled out of the handle. Well, I bought it for $1, and I got home and drilled a hole in the handle, stuck this part through it, and then bent it so it shouldn't come out. Let's see if we're able to pull this out. So the idea is you're going to stick this past the rim, hook the valve stem, and pull it out. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, well, I'm in. So there's the old valve stem out. Now it also comes with this tool right here. Now this is a cone shaped or funnel shaped thing. You can see through it. And this right here, you screw the valve stem into it. And you use this tool right here to push the valve stem down that funnel. And while you're pushing it down, it collapses the valve stem so that it fits through that funnel. And that hole right there is about the same size as the hole in the rim. Let's see if we can get that going on. To help seal it a little bit, going to take the smallest amount of this vulcanized rubber and put it right around there. This is only about 100 times more than is necessary to do this job. Yeah, 106 times more. You also want to lubricate this a little bit. I'd spray some soapy water down there. So I'm going to hold that up to the hole. And let's see if this will go down there. Did it go? It went. And here is the new valve stem. It's been sitting here for 10 minutes with soapy water bathed around it, and we will be happy to report this one as fixed. Good luck with your do-it-yourself projects.